This is Manchester United's Old Trafford ground, where George Best played between 1960 and 1974. In my latest feature on the Aiden.co.uk site, it's an article and it's also an audio feature with music. In fact, there's one version with music, one version without music. Und es gibt auch eine Version auf Deutsch. Die deutsche Version ist 14 Minuten ungefähr. The English version is about 12 minutes. And it's about the life of George Best from his childhood in Belfast right the way through to his sad death in 2005. We also mention the Munich air disaster and many other important stages he went through along the way. It was inspired by some brilliant radio reports that I heard by a journalist called Martin Maria Schwarz. And I was so inspired and so interested by these reports that I decided I wanted to write one on George Best. So I did. I wrote it in German and then I did an English version. And many thanks to my proofreader who did a very good job. So it's there on the Aiden.co.uk site, and the version with music is on Mixcloud. So it's a biography of George Best. Biografie von George Best.
At that time, the club were looking for new talent because 3 years earlier they had suffered a major blow. It happened on Thursday the 6th of February 1958 at Munich Riem Airport. The team had played against Red Star Belgrade and were on their way back to Manchester. Their plane, an airspeed ambassador, stopped at Munich to refuel. It was snowing and there were freezing temperatures. On the third attempt to take off nach Manchester. Ihre Maschine, ein Airspeed Ambassador, machte zum Auftanken einen Zwischenstopp in München. Es schneite und war eisig kalt. Beim dritten Startversuch kam die Maschine von der Startbahn-Viertelfinale des Europapokals. Es steht 3:2 vom Hinspiel. Nach dem Freistoß von Tony Dunn erzielt George Best mit einem Kopfstoß das erste Tor. 5 Minuten später lässt er mehrere Benfica-Spieler. 5 minutes later, he dribbles past 5 Benfica players and scores for the second time. Manchester United win the game 5-1, but not the cup. In the BBC documentary, goalkeeper Harry Gregg comments, "The night that George became a different person was the night that George scored 2 goals against Benfica. On that night, he became the legend that was George Best."